Hello, Paul again here from AMD Automotive. Just want to show you the actual brake calipers that have been removed. So this one's done. Just blocked off the special tool there so it doesn't leak. As you can see, they're all off. This is the right hand side. Have a look at that. Pretty much really seized up in there. This one here was not, it's already seized, but not as bad as the right hand side. Left hand side front was the worst one. This one here was grabbing, that was grabbing. Left hand side front was seized, and the right hand side rear was probably between seized and grabbing. Alright, let's have a look. So this is going to be pull apart. I'm going to pull everything apart and rebuild the whole lot with new seals. But this is the worst one out of all of them. Look at that. You can tell the reason why they, most of the time the reason why they rust is because see the protective boot here? That boot there is gone, so it's all smashed and pretty old, as you can see here. So what happens is the water gets in there and they start to rust. So when they start to rust, they seized, and that's the reason why. So new boots needs to be replaced as well to stop this from happening again. Alright, see that one there, it's not that bad. That one there starting, the boot. This one here is, look at the boot already in pieces. Water gets in there and start to get seized. Alright, once I get that done, and we'll go from there. New boots, new seals, and rebuild. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.